Hey, boys and girls, it's Tuesday, back to school. How's it going? I talked to some of you and your parents yesterday. That was so nice. And I think you were going to be talking to each other. I hope you did, because we all miss each other quite a bit. And we're just trying to get through this very different time together. So we'll go ahead and have school and see what we can do. So you know how we start. We start with our what number day of school we have. So here's my calendar, and we are on 117th day of school. And then we flip to our March calendar. Today is number 24. March 24th, that's what we say, March 24th, 2020 or 2020. And then you can do that really easy copy work. I know that's easy. And I will make our 117 that goes up on my board. I'll put that up in a minute. So that's what we start with. And now we're going to do our math. And I'm going to just start with my number line here. I'm going to bring the camera up a little bit closer here so you can see the number line more than you can see me. And that is called the number line. It starts with 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's a tool that can always help us in addition. We're going to do really easy patterns. We've done these before. We're going to do 1 plus 1. We're going to going side to side equals 2. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 3 plus 1, and I want you to write this on your whiteboard. Now look, 3 plus 1 more, you just move your finger over to 4. Same with 4. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Really, really easy. Just do that all the way up to 10. Then on the next side, we're going to do 1 plus 2. So if we have 1 and we add 2 more, we just count 1, 2. There it is. There's the answer. 2 plus 2, 2, 1, 2. Or you remember your doubles. 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 2, 3, 4, 5. Just a review. I know most of you know this. 4 plus 2, 4, 5, 6. And pretty soon you'll have it in your mind. So you keep on going all the way up till you get to 10 plus 2. And here all the way up to 10 plus 1. And you put the answer and you do that on your wipe-off board. Now before we go on, help me right now. We're going to say the doubles wrap. It's the doubles, baby, let's go, let's go. It's the doubles, baby, and we start with 0. 0 plus 0 equals 0. Oh, 1 plus 1 equals 2. Oh, oh. 2 plus 2 equals 4. More. 3 plus 3 equals 6. It kicks. 4 plus 4 equals 8. That's great. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Do it again. 6 plus 6 equals 12. That's swell. 7 plus 7 equals 14. Let's lean. 8 plus 8 equals 16. Really keen. 9 plus 9 equals 18. Jolly bean. 10 plus 10 equals 20. That's plenty. It's the doubles, baby. Let's go, let's go. It's the doubles, baby, and we start with 0. Now, I might write that down and send it to your parents because I want you to practice that and remember that. It's a good way to remember your doubles. Now, I'm going to show you something else you already know about how to count by fives and how to do counting tally marks. I'm just going to erase those and put a line across here. And you can either do this on your whiteboard on the same side, or you can turn it over. Watch me do this. There are my tally marks right there. I'm going to just keep going. until I get up to 25. Under here, that's 5. I'm going to go 5. Then if we go to the next one, 10. Then the next one is 15. And the next one is 20. And the next one is 25. Now, I gave you some coins in that envelope that I gave you for this week's math. I gave you pennies and nickels. So get out your nickels and your pennies. This is the nickel right here. That's the front. This, let's see, this is the back. Whoop. And do you know who's on that nickel? His name is Thomas Jefferson. On the back is a building. It's called the Jefferson Memorial. It's in Washington, D.C. Anybody know how much a nickel is worth? Right, 5 cents. So I want you to do something. You might need to do this. I just got a piece of white paper and I folded it hamburger style. That's kind of a shorter end. And then I colored one side light blue with a colored pencil because we have these kinds of boards at school, but I didn't give you one to take home. Now, when we have these at school, we usually put it so the blue side is on the left and the white side is on the right, so we can make our numbers that way. So we're going to put, I think I gave you 6 nickels. So I'm going to put those on the blue side. And each nickel is 5 cents, like you told me. So we're going to count by 5s to see how many cents we have right here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 30 cents. That's how much we have. If I take one away, let's count how much. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 25 cents. Now I'm going to take 2 away. 5, 10, 15. 15 cents. Now I'm going to take 2 more away. 5. Now this time I'm going to put 3 pennies on the white side. So how do we count that? We always start with the bigger one. We start on the blue side. It's on the left, 5. And then we go over here and we count 6, 7, 8. So now we have 8 cents, but we have counted the nickel with the pennies. So let's take those off and let's do something else. Let's put on 2 nickels right there. And let's put on 2 pennies. How about that? And let's count these together. 5, 10, 11, 12. Because a penny is only 1 cent. This is not the right way. 5, 10, 15, 20. Nope, don't do it that way. It's 5, 10, 11, 12. Now let's keep these 2 nickels here, but let me add some more pennies because I gave you 9 pennies. I've got 4 there. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now I have 14 cents. And that's how we count nickels with pennies. We've got to remember we start counting by our 5s over here, and then we continue counting 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So practice that for a little while and just see. You can make some different numbers, different amounts, and you can see what you can do. You can challenge yourself. You can challenge your mom or dad. You can challenge your brother or sister. Now you are going to have a page like that counting, and it's counting pennies and nickels. And you'll see Thomas Jefferson and the Jefferson Memorial, 5 cents. And these are hard to see. It is Abraham Lincoln and the Lincoln Memorial, but you know what your penny looks like because you have one, or you actually have 9. Now these are just for you to trace because it's counting 5, another next one 10, a penny 11, and 12, and you have 12 cents. So you're going to do the same thing down here, 5, and you will write 5 here. Now you might think you write 1 here because that's 1 cent, but we're counting on all the way. 5, 6, 7, 8. And so your answer would be in all 8 cents. So you do that page. Now, one of the reasons I wanted to say the doubles wrap is because I have this page for you again. This is the doubles plus 1. And you fold this paper in half and you do your doubles. It's a doubles, baby. Let's go, let's go. 4 plus 4 equals 8. That's great. Or 8 plus 8 equals 16. Really keen. So do all of those. And then you open it up and look. You've got both of them. You've got the doubles and you've got the doubles plus 1. See what you can do. I'm sure you can do it. Think about it, and I think you'll be able to do it. Okay, I think we're ready to do our spelling. Now, boys and girls, you had your spelling words, and I have mine too somewhere. Here they are. And I would like you to write them down today. So I'm going to erase this board, and you will have to erase yours. Maybe you're going to do your spelling right after your math. Maybe you're going to do it in the afternoon. It's okay. You guys have your own schedule. Now we have 6 words, 4 that I gave you, and the other 2 I took off of several people's writing. They were trying to spell the word play, so I just decided to give it to everybody. So now take your card and just write your words. Jump, jumping, remember I-N-G. That's a really good ending to add to a lot of words. Come. Now come is tricky. You just have to remember it. This is not a magic E for come. If it was, this word would sound like this. Comb. And that's not what it is. This is come. It's a tricky one. Now, and that O-W, ow, is the ow sound. Now, it could be cow or how. Those would help you remember. Then we have play, and this is kind of interesting. A sound looks like A-Y in here, like day and stay, and playing. So write your spelling words 2 times. Try to do that. And then if you need more practice, because you're going to do that different thing tomorrow with that folder that has those little doors. If you need more practice, use your letters. Use your ABC letters and use them to spell jump. You can J, U, M. So you know how to do that. You know how to get your letters and put them in order and start spelling all the words that you want to do. So you can do that just by yourself. You just go ahead and do that, and that will be extra practice. Now, after spelling is writing, and I'm going to let you write what you'd like to write. I'll let you and your mom and dad figure that out. But tomorrow I had given you an idea in your writing folder, and the idea was, how is maple syrup made? So tomorrow we're going to write together, and that's not necessarily a story. It's kind of a list, and we'll work on that together. And then I want you to read. Now, you might have read all your books already, so read a book from home. If you haven't read all your books, read the books you haven't read. If you need to practice, you can reread your book. You can read it out loud to somebody, your mom or dad, your little sister, but I do want you to read out loud. Okay, that takes care of the morning, and I am going to read to you, read the Bible, and show you a way to do that moth experiment from Mystery Science about camouflage. So I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.